Hi everyone, my name is Sherry Wind and I'm going to be your instructor in Human Growth and Development this summer of 2020. The course is about you. I want to make that really clear. I do my best to make everything we talk about you because I know we, and I'm assuming you, are really curious about human behavior and certainly in this case, human development. So we're going to look at the individual from birth through death and dying, the entire lifespan. We're even going to do some prenatal discussions about embryos and the beginning stages of life. And we're going to take a three-lens view of it. We're going to be looking at the biological changes we go through in the course of our lives. We're going to look at the cognitive changes, how our thinking changes, how our mindset changes throughout the course of our life. Think about the way you thought when you were 15 or 16. And if you're 20 or 21 now, think of the changes, way you think about yourself, how you think about others, and you think about the world has changed. And lastly, the third lens, which we look at growth across the lifespan, is through more what we call a psychosocial, how the social world we grow up in affects us. And that we're going to talk about things like relationships, family, communities, culture. So we're really going to, again, make this course about you and hopefully solve some of those curiosities that you have about yourself. We'll start prenatally and we're going to go through the entire lifespan. There's a lot of reading in this course, but it's fun and again, making it about you, making this course practical and relevant. The assignments are all about what you think, how you feel, giving examples of your life as it relates to the different stages of development. I'm sure some questions you might think about over the course of your life are things like, when you think about some of the decisions you made as an adolescent, and some of you are maybe not that far from adolescence. Like, what was I thinking? Why would I make such a decision? Well, why do two children that grow up in the same home grow up differently? Of course, there's a genetic point of view, which is what we call more nature, but then there's all the experiences that happen to us in that same home that affect and influence us differently. Whether any kind of mental illness or alcoholism, do those things run in families and why so? So again, we're going to start from the beginning of life to the very end. We're going to look at the biological, the cognitive, and the psychosocial influences on our growth and development. So I'm glad you're here. There's going to be another video posted just right below this one that's going to take you through a tour of D2L, which I'll get posted as well. And you'll have a chance to both meet me and meet the course. So it's nice talking with all of you, and I hope to see you online soon. Thanks, everyone.